Friends, it's Liz here. Thank you for joining me today. I have a few more items to show you the entries for my birthday challenge giveaway. These are the last ones that I have received. And I'm also going to show you a swap that came in that I'm doing with a friend of mine. So I hope you find some inspiration. This entry is from Denise G from the USA. Look how beautiful this card is. Oh my goodness. I love the front of it, the way she's designed the bird focus there. I'm not sure if you made that or if that's something that you just added as an embellishment, but I absolutely love it. So thank you for that. And then she's included her ATC, which I, again, am grateful for because I'll be able to keep everything in a little file folder that I'll be able to then, get to when I need to send a card or a little mail, happy mail to someone. Look at how beautiful she's designed it with the little flowers and the butterfly. Absolutely love it. And I like that you use that like corrugated paper for the back. That's just giving me some ideas actually on things that I'm working on right now with trying to use up my cardboard boxes into like junk journal embellishments and that sort of thing. So I'll definitely be showing you some of those ideas coming up, but I love how your ATC came out. And then look at this gorgeous card. Oh my goodness. My friends, look at this. All the different layers. I love, love, love the ornament in the center. And then a little bit of bling, a little bit of ribbon and lace. Super adorable. Thank you so much, Denise. What lovely ideas and so much inspiration. And then look at this one. I like that she used, I guess this is like, oh my gosh, I always forget what these are called. And they're one of my favorite little embellishments to make as well, that center thing. It'll come to me. But I love how you use the lace on the sides and the colors. Super, super cute. Thank you so much for your entry. I really appreciate it. And thank you all so much because I'm truly feeling inspired when I open up these little happy mail pieces here. The next one is, I love the way she decorated the envelope as well. And this one is from Elizabeth S. From the US and as EB for short. Now, I believe this is her second one that has come in. She did mention that in her previous one, that she would be sending them separate because of, easier, I guess, with postage and that sort of thing. And so here she's included this really lovely birthday card. Of course, it's your birthday. That is so cute. Oh my goodness, that is so cute. Thank you so much. This is really, really adorable. And then, oh, I love these. She's included some stickers with sentiments. So useful. Thank you so much because I'll definitely be using these up. And again, this little the paper, she's just included where she has found the paper pieces. And I really love that as well, that she lets me know, where the paper has come from and where she has found it, that sort of thing. So thank you again. I appreciate your entry and very, very useful items that you've sent me. I truly will be using these very soon probably, and I love the card. So thank you so much. The next entry is I love the way she has written the front there of the envelope. This is from Nikki B in Canada. Thank you so much, Nikki, for your entry. And as I try and pull things out, and of course, I'm always trying to block the notes and everything else, just in case, obviously. This is her ATC, and it's got all the details in the back, so thank you for that. I love the layering. I love the colors. Really, really nice. And then she's made an envelope here, and I guess this would be the card. And I like the size of the card as well, which is really nice. And look at this design. Oh my goodness. Love it. I like the size of the card. And I like that she's added that really nice focal point. And it is just so lovely to see that. Thank you. That is really, really nice. And I like the little details that she's colored in on the corner. And look at this birthday card. Oh my goodness. The colors, the background paper, the cake, and even the little banner with happy birthday. How adorable, and what a great idea. Oh, I really like this. Thank you so much. What a really cute idea. I'm really, really loving this. I'm just looking at anything else that she might have added in there. I'll read all my little notes after I've shown you all what's in here, because I just can't wait to open them up and see what it is. And I'm doing them as I'm filming, so it is my first time seeing what's in the packages every time. I like this design. I have not seen it before, and it is really nice. It reminds me of those like all the different ways that you can fold paper and make all the different little embellishments. I love the flowers. So that is really, really nice. And then here, in this other envelope, this is really cute as well. She's added a little stamp in the center. And then a tiny little word. Oh, how cute are these? Oh my goodness, I love these. Absolutely love them. Thank you. And I like the paper. It is just it feels like handmade paper, but I guess the way she's collaged and painted it. And look at this. I believe these are actually flowers from her dried flowers that she made. So I'm going to double check that, but I think that's what I read on the note quickly there. And then here she's got a little shaker. These are such cute ideas because you can add them to any project, but then they can also be removed and used somewhere else, right? So I really love these. Thank you so much. It's given me a lot of inspiration as well. I really appreciate it. All right. And the next one coming up, it's the last one actually that has come in, and this one's all the way from Ireland. So I am so happy that it arrived in time for me to film it. This is from Pamela H. Thank you so much, Pamela. Look at the cute little bird and the happy birthday with the little music notes. This is so adorable. Thank you so much. It is such a cute little card. And then she's included a few little pieces in here, which are just really, really cute. If anyone has actually sent me information about their social media, I will also link that in the description box below if anyone happens to have like a YouTube channel or Instagram and that whole thing. Look at the cute little bunny and the mushroom on the ATC. Absolutely love what you did here. Thank you so much. It is super adorable. And then she's included some flowers and some lovely stems as well, like botanicals. So thank you for your entry. I really, really appreciate it. My friends, I will be coming back very soon to let you know who the winner is. And then I may actually have some additional little winners to go with it. So keep an eye out for that. Now, let me quickly show you what's come in for my swap. I did a swap with my friend Tammy. I have known Tammy for a while, not met in person, just online. So hi, Tammy. Thank you so much. And I love Tammy's work. She actually was part of my consignment shop way back when. And I really, really love what she does. And look what she's done here. She has used my printables and made these amazing envelopes with this really lovely paper. Oh, I can't wait to see what's in there. I'm just looking at her card that she made. And so what we did is we swapped some cards, some greeting cards. So we made some greeting cards with each other. This is the one she made to send to me. So look how beautiful. Oh, and I love the envelope. Oh, Tammy, this is just so adorable. I can't wait to go through all these little packages. I will show you what I sent her after she has received it because I don't want to show you before she gets it. But this is what she has sent to me, and I super, super love it. So here in this first envelope, look how lovely it looks. Oh my gosh, it's so nice to see how she has used my printables. And I just love, love, love how the envelopes turned out. So thank you, Tammy, for including those. So, oh, I love these little, I don't have any. And thank you so much. She sent me the tiny little Tim Holtz paper clips. Oh, I can't wait to use these. We also swapped for some sentiments and some, just kind of embellishments that we can use in cards. So these are the ones that she sent me. I'm not going to open every single package, but I just wanted to kind of show you, the different things that she has sent. This is another one of the envelopes she made. Now, this is my entire printable. It's the vintage wallpaper, the French wallpaper, and she's made them into envelopes. I love those flowers. Thank you so much. And so many embellishments. Now, here comes my favorite part, because this is what I've been looking forward to seeing. Again, with the envelope, I love how it looks. So thank you for this idea, because I think I'm going to be making some envelopes like this with my printables. So this is the first card that she has made. Oh my gosh, and I already love the colors. What is this? Wait, how does that? Oh, I love, 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 love this so much. What a lovely card. And I need to know how you made this. I really need to know how you made this, because it is just a gorgeous card. Look at all the different layers. I wonder if that's a kit. Is it a kit? Let me know. I want to know how you made that one. And then this one's got some little hearts on the envelope. How cute. And I love the colors as well. She's used like golds and neutrals and black and white. Wow. And I like the detail, like the faux stitching and the little bow. Oh my goodness, this is gorgeous, Tammy. Thank you so much. Oh my gosh, so excited about all these. Love, love, love it. And the next one here, let me just see. She's got best wishes on the envelope. Look how cute. I love the layering. Oh, and this is so nice. I love that extra little touch of the flowers in the corner. Oh, this is beautiful. Thank you. Already my mind is going with ideas on, I'm thinking of papers that I have and things that I might be able to use to make something similar, because I just love that design. Oh my goodness. Okay, this one's got, again, lovely hearts on the envelope. Look at this. Oh, I love the lace and the flowers, and then the scripted paper. Oh, all of it. Just love, love, love everything about it. Wow. And the inside. Oh, my friends, look at this. What a fabulous idea, Tammy. I absolutely love it. Oh my goodness, thank you. Love, love, love this one. I've been working on making, green cards myself for a while. And so that's why I thought we should swap. Now look at this one. Oh my gosh. With the color coordinated letters and the beautiful, in the inside. I absolutely love it, Tammy. Oh my gosh. So much inspiration in this little bundle of goodies. Oh my gosh. I love everything. Thank you so much. I can't wait to go through all the little envelopes with, that you've got with all the different elements. And look at this, guys. Oh my gosh, the bird and the nest, and it's like I'm already breaking it. Oh, look at it. How beautiful. I love that it folds flat and then it can just pop right up. Okay, my friend, I must know how you made these. And if there's tutorials, let me know. I would love to figure these out. How adorable are these? Oh my goodness. Absolutely love them. Thank you so much, my friend. I really, really love what you have sent, and I hope you like what I have sent you. So thank you all so much, everyone, for joining me today. I will be coming back very soon with a really fun tutorial. I've got many things I'm working on. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, check out my playlist if you want more snail mail ideas or things you can send to your pen pals. And I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.